Hi guys, here we've got OPPO A57s and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So at first you need to reach settings, then scroll all the way down and click on about device. Here you need to locate version and then tap 7 times on build number. And as only you do it, you will unlock developer mode. So now let's go back, and now you can find developer options under system settings. As you can see, here they are, smoothly marked to open, and from now on you can use all the options, all the features here. Actually, all you need to do is to tap on particular switcher to activate the function or enroll more options and then change it. So this is it. Then whenever you want to lock developer options again, just unmark the switcher. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.